everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download free songs using Google Chrome on your phone. Whether you are using an iPhone or Android device, this is a quick and easy way to download copyright-free music directly to your phone and use it for your videos, projects, or personal listening. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your phone. Once Chrome is open, tap on the search bar at the top and search for royalty-free music. From the search results, open the Pixabay Music website. This platform offers thousands of free songs that you can download and use. When the page opens, you will be in the music section, where you can browse different songs and categories. You can tap the play button on any song to preview it before downloading. If you find a song you like, tap on the download icon next to the track. Depending on your phone, you may need to tap the button more than once. After that, select Save or Download. Your phone will then ask where you want to save the file. You can save it to your Files app, Google Drive, or another folder on your device. After the download is complete, open the Files app on your phone. If you are using an iPhone, tap on Browse and then open the Chrome folder or Downloads folder to find your song. From there, you can tap the file to play the music, rename it, or share it with other apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, AirDrop, or email. You can also use the downloaded song in your videos, projects, or even as a ringtone, depending on your device settings. And that's it! Now you know how to download songs with Chrome on your phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!